Happy New Year, everybody. Hillbilly here. This will be the first 2025 update of the train layout. As you can see, I got my DCC system going now. Got my DCC sound CSX 4617 idling away here in my miniature yard. Got a couple cars I'm going to shove all the way around the layout on the main line for a test run, and we'll see how she goes. Since this is an end-to-end layout, I don't want to run off the track on the other end, but I'll stop her before then. Alright, let's get this train moving. Now, this very first curve he came off of right here is a 15-inch curve. That SD40 that plain SD40 took that just fine. So I was pretty happy with that. I'm just going to take it down the main line. I ain't going to test it on the other section yet because I don't know. I've only got one section wired on it, so. I'll say about right there is about the max speed I'm going to run that train at. And that's a 20 speed state, or the 20%. Oh, there's a cutout. That's where my two turnouts are together, so I may have to look at fixing that. Sorry about the mess. It'll be cleaned up about a week. Then I can get a little better videos. Alright, let's take it back to where I was just at. Right now I got grain cars at the elevator. So yeah, I'm going to check that turnout spot out, but everything else running real smooth. I'm going to take it down to 3% speed and see how that does. Crawling pretty good. But anyway, here's my setup. I got a switch here, that SMT mainline from Canada. I watched one of his videos on a DC DP switch, and down is for DCC, center is off, and up is for DC. So if I don't run DC trains, I can do that. So here's my DC power pack. Uh-oh, cutting out again. Anyway, here's my DCC power pack, the Zephyr, I bought or got for Christmas. Works pretty good. Except for that cutout right there. But yeah, I'm going to clean up some turnouts, it sounds like, and see if there might be a wiring issue where the two turnouts are over on the other side. Alright, y'all. That's my little test run. Hope you enjoyed.